If you want to delete games in Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall a game from the Epic Games launcher in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to free up storage space, clean up your library, or remove games you no longer play. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, launch the Epic Games launcher on your computer and wait for it to fully open. Once you're inside, look to the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on the Library tab. This is where all of your installed and owned games are listed in one place. Now, scroll through your library and locate the game you want to delete from your computer. If you have a large collection, take your time and make sure you're selecting the correct game before installing it. Next, click the three dots icon next to the game's title, or click the three dots on the game's cover art. This will open a drop-down menu with different options for that game. From the list, click Uninstall. Epic Games will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the game, so go ahead and confirm the uninstall if prompted. After that, the launcher will begin removing the game from your PC. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a little while, so just let the process finish. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a game in Epic Games using the Epic Games launcher. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can free up space anytime you want. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy guide like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.